Sam! The train is here. We need to get on now.
Everyone is walking past him. Nobody is stopping. He is just sitting there. Nobody sees him.
The station has people whose whole job is this place. They will see him. I promise.
Someone is coming. Just wait. Houses going backwards. Big gray buildings going backwards. A car park going backwards. Everything going backwards.
We are going forwards. The things outside are staying still.
But from my eyes, everything is going backwards. From my eyes, it is definitely backwards. Mom! Look! The building stopped.
We are in the countryside now.
It is so big. Everything is so big here.
Tickets, please. First train journey?
How did you know?
You have your face on the glass. First-timers always do. After 100 journeys, most people look at their phones. They stop watching.
That seems very sad.
It is a little sad, you are right. In about 30 minutes, we cross a river. There is an old stone bridge. If you look left, you will see a heron standing in the water. He is always there, same spot, every single day. Do not miss it.
There he is. He is real. He is actually there. Every day. Same spot. Every single day.
He was not scared of the train. Just standing there. Like the train is nothing. Like he has seen 1,000 trains.
And he is still not impressed. That is the best description of a heron I have ever heard.
What is it?
My phone. I cannot find it.
Did you lose your phone?
No. I know where it is. Mostly.
I will find it. I am the best finder in this family.
Sam, you do not need to.
Not under here, but there is a biscuit wrapper and something that is not food, but looks like it used to be. Did you check your inside pocket? Your jacket has an inside pocket.
It was in the inside pocket.
The inside pocket. People always forget the inside pocket. That is just a fact about life.
He is 6.
I know. I feel like he is 40.
We are slowing! Is this it? Is this Grandma's station?
Yes. This is it.
She is already looking for us. She is already there.
goodness.
We saw a heron on the bridge. He was not impressed by the train.
He never is. I have seen him there for years. That heron, nothing impresses him.
There. Now, everything is right. You look tired, my love.
I'm fine.
Come. You are home now. Everything can be slow here.
For 2 whole days. Nothing fast, nothing urgent, just slow.
It smells different here than our house.
Good different or bad different?
Good. Very good. Like something is cooking. And also like old books. And also like outside. All at the same time. Grandma, is this Mom?
Your mum, about your age.
She looks like me. Same hair.
Yes, very much. And one day, someone will look at a photo of you and say the same thing.
Grandma! You have an apple tree. A real one. With real apples. On it!
You can pick one and eat it right there under the tree.
Just take it? From the tree? Just like that? Grandma, why are there so many stars here? At home I only see a few. Maybe 10.
Too many lights at home. Street lights, car lights, building lights.
All of it goes up into the sky, and it washes the stars away. But here it is dark, so the stars can show themselves.
They were always there, though. Even at home. We just could not see them.
That is one of the truest things I have ever heard. That bright one there, that is the North Star. It never moves. Every other star moves slowly through the night.
The pigeon could use that to find his way.
Maybe he already knows. Birds often do.
But that one always stays in the same place. So if you are ever lost, you find that star.
And you always know where you are.
Look! A shooting star. Make a wish. Did you wish?
I did not need to. Everything I could wish for is already here, in this garden, right now.